everyone, this is an instructional video on how to gut your very own fish. I have never done this before, but I watched a YouTube video, and the YouTube video told me what I need to do to gut this fish. So I need to put the knife into the anal cavity all the way up through here, and then just sort of cut this way. This fish has sort of been sitting out for 6 or 7 hours without ice, so I hope it's not, bad, but, hopefully it'll be okay. And if it's not okay, then, so you're gonna need a bag, because all the guts are gonna go in the bag. Oh shit, I'm still filming. What the? The fish is looking sad because this morning he was alive. Wonder if this fish has children. Okay, you're gonna want a plastic bag for all the entrails. Fuck. So I've learned that it's actually better to. This reminds me of a Frank Herbert. Fuck me. Ow! Fuck. How do I get these organs out of this fish? Ah! Did you know that a mullet is a type of fish? Ah, fuck me. I'm pretty worthless. Am I supposed to be scaling this fish first? Okay, fuck me.
Man, 50. JR. B-Day boy. Yeah. Man, I feel like money. Man, I feel like money. Yeah. Attracted to me. Oh, yeah. They come around like honey. They come around like honey. Cause I fly like a bee. Oh, yeah. Man, I got them all buzzing.
Because that's how you remove the organs from a fish, I guess. Somehow, despite all expectations, I managed to survive and get 2 serviceable pieces of meat off of this with the handy help of 2 of these knives. There's an entire bag called guts.